Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have the NASCAR Authentics from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Kevin Harvick's 2023 Rheem Next Gen car. And on the back you can get other cars like Chase Elliott's Hooters car, Brandon Jones's J. Weld car, Dale Jr.'s 88 Bass Pro Shops car, and Zane Smith's 38 Championship truck, and also for his Chase piece too. As earlier, I was holding the box because it had a problem falling down. So let's get Kevin Harvick's car out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is a black number 4 with a white and red outline. The paint scheme, the sticker similar to the side of this car. Rheem, Kevin Harvick's name, the American flag, and of course, the Forever sign that's been in the 2023 season, as this is Kevin Harvick's final season before moving to the Fox Sports booth. So here we have his car. So Kevin Harvick's car is similar to last year's scheme, because with the simple Rheem logo, the black on top, the white on the side, a red line going through it, the number 4, the Rheem logo in the middle. And on the side, you have his mini sponsors like Hunt Brothers Pizza, and I can't read what the other two are, but I know Subway isn't there anymore. On the back, you have Rheem.com, Mobile One, the Rheem. And right here, you have Gear Wrench, and of course, his name, and the Forever. And Forever, which is kind of a nice reference, which means he will forever be remembered as one of the best NASCAR drivers that has ever raced in the series. And this car is pretty similar to the one I have, but it's more of a throwback to his early years in the pink car. And it's very similar to the ones he drove in 2012. But other than with the 4 on it. But this, overall, it is a nice car. And good to see one of his old sponsors coming back to him. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And I think that'll be all in today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.